This certificate is presented to Ms. Corazon de Leon. As our teacher and mentor, you shared and imparted your ideas and knowledge. You encouraged us to develop ourselves in our fullest potential. You prayed for our success and guided us towards our endeavors in life. Thus, we regarded you as our moral and spiritual anchor. Be assured that the time and effort that you spend with us will never left be unnoticed. As a token of appreciation and on behalf of many of your students, we wish to honor and pay tribute to all of your hard work. Thank you for being our honorary guest to commemorate our 20th anniversary, given this 29th day of December 2012. President of Batch 93, Victor Calvin.
Also, we would like to give the certificate of appreciation presented to Ms. Julie Rodriguez. As our teacher and mentor, you shared and imparted your ideas and knowledge, encouraged us to develop ourselves into our fullest potential. You prayed for our success and guided us towards our endeavors in life. Thus, we regarded you as our moral and spiritual anchor. Be assured that the time and effort that you spend with us will never be left unnoticed. As a token of appreciation and on behalf of many of your students, we wish to honor and pay tribute to all your hard work. Thank you for being our honorary guest to commemorate our 20th anniversary. Given this 29th day of December 2012, President of Batch 1993, Victor Pauli Jr. Congratulations.
Ma'am, pwede po bang bigyan natin ng short message? Pinaka-bagets muna lang.
Bagets na bagets.
Bagets na bagets.
Sino hindi nakakakilala dito?
Sino ba?
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon pa. And ako'y nagagala, natutuwa at ako'y naging bahaging muli ng inyong pagdiriwang. Sana ang dalangin ko ay magkaroon pa ng mahabang buhay at more success in your chosen endeavors. Sana magsilbing simula ang araw na ito ng mga susunod pa ninyong pagbabalik tanaw sa inyong mga nakaraan. Okay, salamat.
Nakaka-inspire ang message ni Ma'am. Okay, next naman po si Miss Julie Quiroz Rodriguez.
Good afternoon sa inyo. Ngayon lang ako nag-attend ng reunion. So, I'm happy na ganito pala yung feeling at experience ng ma-attend ng reunion. Congratulations, naka 28 years na pala kayo. So, 28 years. So, parang nadoble na edad ko nun. Okay, maraming salamat and Happy New Year.
Thank you po, dear teachers, and I hope you continue to support us kung ano man po yung mga upcoming na activities na launch na. So, bibigyan ka namin ng certificate of appreciation. Fairness.
Ayan. Certificate of appreciation presented to Mr. Isagani de Leon as our teacher and mentor. We shared part of sana record ko na lang, diba? As our teacher and mentor, we shared and imparted our ideas and knowledge, encouraged us to develop ourselves into our fullest potential. We prayed for our success and guided us towards our endeavors in life. Thus, we regarded you as our moral and spiritual anchor. Yes. Be assured that the time and effort that you spent with us is and will never be left unnoticed. As a token of appreciation and on behalf of many of your students here, we wish to honor and pay tribute to all their hard work. Thank you for being our honorary guest to commemorate our 20th anniversary. Given this 29th day of December 2012 with our President of Batch 1993,
Okay. First, thank you for inviting me.
Settle down.
Ano ba to? Speechless ako bigla sa batch na ito. Hindi naman. Actually, this was my first batch. My first experience of teaching is this batch. So, kayo nagbigay sa akin ng baptism of fire, so to speak. Ano? So, I started actually sa Jose Rizal Institute sa Orani, and then pinatransfer nila ako. So, yun, ewan ko kung bakit. And it's good to know na a lot of your classmates are now somehow successful in the chosen field. And there are people here na dati estudyante ko lang, ngayon nakasama ko na sa profesyon. Kaya it should take notice na parang tumatanda kayo. Hindi ako. Kasi up to this date, I'm still a teacher. You were my students, now you are teachers. So, sino tumatanda? Tumatanda kayo. And pagpunta ko dito kanina, nagulat ako sa dami na sasakyan sa basketball court. Sabi ko, ganito na ba ka-successful tong batch na ito?
Bongga!
No? Talagang mga rent-a-car ba yun? Or talaga naman mga high-end pa yata yung mga sasakyan? No? Nakakakita ng tabi yung aking Revolok. Buti lang pala kung hindi si Revolok yung daladala ko. So, one thing lang na gusto kong ipaalala sa inyo as batch. Do not speak of something which will divide you. And that is recognizing every student and every member of the batch as a member of a particular section. That will definitely divide you. Second, help your classmates. Treat each other as your classmates and help your classmates. Push them forward and never leave their side. Because during your high school days, you cemented the best friendship. Because it is in high school that you really meet your real friends. So having cemented that, retain it and keep that friendship alive. Again, help your batch, help your classmates, and move forward. Thank you and congratulations on your 20th year.
Thank you for those inspiring
Yun na
words.
naman, Sir Gani. O, tandaan natin yun, ha? Help each other. Ano ba yung sinabi mo, sir?
Forward lang.
Pay forward. Pay forward.
Yes,
Ayan.
okay.
So,
Thank you, Sir Gani.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope enjoy mo yung programs pa natin. Thank you po for coming, ma'am.
We're giving us appreciation.
Thank you po for coming to our reunion. And with that, we would like to give you a certificate of appreciation. As our principal, you shared and imparted your ideas and knowledge. You encouraged us to develop ourselves into our fullest potential. You prayed for our success and guided us towards our endeavors in life. Thus, we regarded you as our moral and spiritual anchor. Be assured that the time and effort that you spent with us is and will never be left unnoticed. As a token of appreciation and on behalf of many of your students, we wish to honor and pay tribute to all your hard work. Thank you for being our honorary guest to commemorate our 20th anniversary. Given this 29th day of December 2012, signed by the President of Batch 1993 Reunion, Victor Paulo Jr.
Thanks for
Thank you,
coming,
ma'am. Baka po meron ngayong short message po.
Yes.
Please, when you're ready.
Sa inyo, alam nyo, kaya ayaw ko pupunta sa ganito. Pero kayo yung utos. Thank you for the lack of appreciation. And I'm very happy to see all of you. For my family, Happy New Year. Siguro, dalawang bagay lang yung isi-share nyo. Yung isa, I know you have reached your dreams, you attain your dreams, na makita nyo na yung mga ambisyon nyo. So whatever graces or whatever prosperity you're enjoying, please share it with your classmates. Alam ko na marami sa inyo yung maayos ng buhay. I-share nyo ang kwan ay i-share sa inyong classmates. Sharing, yun ang isa. And then the other one is about the family. Wala pang, may mga asawa na pa kayo, wala pa.
Happily married.
Happily married. I hope you will be happily married. And remember that married life is for keeps. Yung nag-aasawa, sana makarating kayo doon sa na hindi nyo papalit yung kasama nyo ngayon, whoever he or she is, yung ang pag-asawa kasi ang makapaghihiwalay sa inyo ay kamatayan.
Marami. We'll get those parts.
Yun ang kamatayan lang makapaghihiwalay sa inyo. And whoever he is or she is, you have to cherish her or him throughout life. Yun ang and then, take care of your children. I hope they grow and like you also when you study at the Cerizal Institute. Yung mga anak nyo, mahalin nyo and turuan nyo sila na maayos. Please let them learn that as children, as they grow up, they will know their responsibility in the community. Yung malaman nila na marunong silang gumawa katulad nyo. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga bata ngayon mga matatamad. Ay, ang gumagawa ay magulang. Mali-mali yun. Hindi magulang ang dapat gumawa. Bakit tinuturuan sila sa eskwelahan na magtrabaho upang sila ay matuto? May magulang niya sabi, bakit pinagwawalis yung anak ko? Kung lumaki yung anak ko, kung lumaki yung anak mo, hindi makapagwalis. Hindi kakuha naman siya. Yun ang ano ninyo. Kasi may nakita kami noon na yung mga magulang na nagwawalis sa school. Sabi nga, bakit po kayo nagwawalis? Hindi yung mga anak. Alam niyo, sabi ng magulang, kasi yung mga anak namin, senyorita yan sa bagay. Mali yata yung pagpapalaki. Kung yung mga magulang nandito, sinasabi ko sa inyo, mali yun. You teach them how to work. And you can teach them how to work by showing them that you know also how to work. Values cannot be taught. Hindi maituturo ang values. It should be taught. Yung nakikita sa inyo. Yun ang masigawa namin sa inyo. Dalawa lang. Yun nga, yung share your blessings with your classmates at saka yung family life. Sana kalalapasan ng RH bill ay kalaban namin yun yung inyong pagsasama ay manatili at ang makapaghiwalay lang sa inyo ay kamatay. Maraming salamat sa pagkakaibitan niyo sa akin. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Lumabas ang pagka-marriage counselor ni ma'am. Baka nakasali ka din sa message na counsel ni ma'am. Ayan. Family matters is very important.
Kasi member kami ng Family and Life sa Diocese of Palanga. Kaya yun ang sinabi ko sa inyo. Mahal ko kayo. We have just celebrated our 50 years of married life.
Wow!
Thank you.
Napaka-inspiring nun. 50 years, di ba? Sana tayo din.
Saan makatagal kayo ng gano'n? Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for seeing all of you here. Sa lahat, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for gracing our reunion.
Talagang you're living by example. So, kailangan talaga natin ano tawag sa ganon, yung damdamin ng message niya. Kasi she lives by example.
Yes.
Thank you, Ma'am Pepa. I hope nag-enjoy
Role model. Yeah.
Role model.